Understanding Up There in Years, Unraveling Idiomatic Expressions. Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of idiomatic expressions, focusing on the phrase, up there in years. Idioms enrich the language, offering color and depth to our daily conversations. If you're keen on improving your English, understanding these phrases is a must. So, let's explore what up there in years means, its origins, and how to use it in context. The phrase, up there in years, is a polite and somewhat indirect way of saying that someone is elderly or of an older age. It's often used to refer to someone who has a lot of life experience, but without directly mentioning their age or implying anything negative about being older. When you use up there in years, it's important to understand the connotations it carries. This phrase is considered respectful and sensitive to the person's age. It's a way of acknowledging someone's age without being blunt or disrespectful. However, context is key, and it should be used in appropriate situations to avoid misunderstandings. Let's see how up there in years is used in everyday language. My grandmother is getting up there in years, but she's as sharp as ever. You might not want to suggest a hiking trip. He's up there in years and prefers more relaxed activities. These examples show how the phrase can convey respect for the person's age while subtly hinting at the considerations that come with it. While up there in years is a gentle way of discussing age, there are other phrases you can use too. Terms like senior, elderly, or of advanced age are also common. Remember, the tone and context will guide you in choosing the most appropriate expression. Today, we've unpacked the phrase, up there in years, understanding its meaning, usage, and the respectful tone it carries. English is rich with such idiomatic expressions, and mastering them will not only enhance your vocabulary but also your ability to express yourself more naturally. We hope this video helps you in your journey of learning English. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.